Welcome, people. So you want to learn guitar? Interesting choice. Welcome to the first lesson. All you need for this lesson is a guitar. It could have all its strings or just some of them. It could be in tune like this one,
or out of tune.
Could be anything. All you need is the guitar and a pick and your fingers, or no pick. This first lesson's going to be fun and easy. You get to hit your guitar. We're going to start by taking your pick or your fingers. I'll show you both ways. This is a pick. It's plastic. This is the way you hold your pick. Take your thumb, putting it here, this side. Take your index finger, place it on this side. Hold it tight, not too tight, just tight enough to where it doesn't fall out of your hand when you're playing. Alright, we're going to take our pick and put it on this string here. If you're missing that string, put it on the next string. If you're missing this string, put it on the next. If you're missing this string, put it on the next. Feel the string, be one with the string. We're going to just fall to the next string. I like to think gravity helps my hand fall to the next string. Then you stop. Alright, so we're going to fall to the next string. Alright, then we're going to do the same thing again. Fall to the next string. Kind of feel the string. Fall to the next string. Are you following me? Fall to the next string. Finally, play through the last string. Alright, we're going to do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. If you don't want to use the pick, you can also use your thumb or your index finger. It's the same concept. Place your finger on the string, feel the string, become one with the string, and fall to the next string. Fall to the next string. Alright, you can keep practicing this, and when you feel comfortable, you can go a little bit faster. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Nice. I bet you did a good job just now. As we keep getting faster with this exercise, eventually, as we increase the speed, we get a strum. And by practicing this simple exercise, you're going to be able to strum really well, and your sound is going to be nice, even sound. Okay, we're going to do one more exercise, combining our falling to the next string and beating your guitar. Let's practice hitting our guitar. We can hit it anywhere. I'll let you choose where you'd like to hit it. Here's what we're going to do. Start in the same place you were before. With your pick resting on the string, become one with the string, feel the string, and we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. By doing this exercise, your finger is going to get familiar with playing all the strings, which will give you a nice full sound. So that way when you play chords later, it doesn't sound like that, but nice and full. Let's practice hitting the guitar again, but a little bit faster. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 very nice. And let's try to go really fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That wraps it up for the first lesson. Practice this as much as you can this week. Practice. Use this video to practice this week. If you can get a few times in, that would be great. It'll really help you get ready for next lesson.